Hello friends, welcome back. In this lesson, we will see what are algorithms and flowcharts. Algorithm is nothing but the step-by-step representation of a problem. If there is a program or a problem, and you need to solve that problem, then representation of the steps, to solve that problem is called as the algorithm, and representation of that steps with the help of diagram is called as the flowchart. In short, diagrammatic representation of a program or a problem is called as the flowcharts. Okay, let's see what diagrams are used inside a flowchart. Okay, this shape is used to display the start or the stop of a program. This shape is used for input and output purpose. Okay, whenever you use a statement like printf, the printf is for displaying output, and scanf, the scanf is used for receiving an input from the keyboard. So in two cases you use this symbol. And for decision making, we do not learn the decision making until right now, but we will see it later. But for this moment, just remember that this symbol is used to represent the decision making. The next step is the process. Okay, this symbol is used to represent the process. So what type of processes are there? Such as addition. Okay, for doing the addition of two variables, it is a procedure or a process. So this kind of processes are represented by this symbol. And predefined processes. This image is used to represent predefined processes. So what are predefined processes? Do you know we use a printf function, but we don't know the definition of that function. Okay, we will see later what are functions and the definition mean, but for right now just remember definition means the purpose of that code, or how that code is going to perform the operation is written inside an header file like stdio.h header file. Okay, so such functions are called as the predefined functions. So this symbol is used to represent the predefined processes. And looping, also we do not learn what is looping, so we will see it later. So for this moment just remember this symbol is used to represent the looping. And this is a connector. This connector is used to connect two different processes to each other. And this is in flow direction. The flow direction symbol is used to show the direction of your code. What is the next step or the next procedure of your code? Okay, let's see a basic C program for addition of two numbers. Inside the program, first we include two header files, stdio.h for printf, conio.h for clear screen, and getch function, and also for scanf function. So in first line void main, the first step is start. Our program start here. And after starting we declare three variables int a, b, and addition. In printf we says that input a, b means here we have to use the symbol the square. And the next step we use the scanf function for receiving input. So the same symbol is used for input and output. And at the next line, this is the procedure or the process. Here is addition is performed, so it is called as a process. So this step is represented by the process symbol. And in the last step it is printf. It is also output process. So it is represented by output symbol. So let's see the step-by-step algorithm of this problem. At first line it starts from main function. At next line in output it shows addition of two numbers. Input two values, input a and b, and in next line it shows addition of a plus b, and at the sixth line it shows addition is equal to that, and at the last it stop. So it is the step-by-step representation of our program. So here addition of two numbers. What is this? This is the purpose of our code. Addition of two numbers is displayed here. It is the output. Okay. Now this is our algorithm for that program, and after that we will see the diagrammatic representation of this algorithm which is displaying here. Okay, for start the circular shape is used here. Start. In the next line this shape is used for input, so addition of two numbers and input two values, both is for output, so we use the same symbol. And in next line the same symbol is used for input, just like as input A B, and next line the process symbol is used for addition, and in the next line it displays the addition is for the output, and finally it gets stopped. Okay, in this manner we can represent an algorithm with the help of flowchart. Okay, let's see the final representation of our flowchart. This is our flowchart, a complete flowchart of that basic problem for addition of two numbers. In this manner, you can first create an algorithm of any problem or a program and then convert this into an flowchart, okay, for understanding purpose. It will make you simple to understand the problem or the program.